In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add your own songs to your Instagram story. This process a little bit complicated, but you have to learn how to do that to add your own music to your Instagram story. So first of all, make sure you have the audio or MP3 file ready on your Files app. And then we have to install a video editor app in our phone. You can use this InShot app. This is a very popular and free app. Once you successfully install the InShot app, just launch the InShot app. And here we have to select video option. And now from your gallery, you can select a video to make your Instagram story, or you can select one or multiple photos. Then tap on done. Once the video or photo add date, now it's time to add our own music. So tap on audio and here select plus music, and here we have to select my music. Then tap on open from, tap on this menu, select my files and select the audio that we want to add. Tap on done and we can see the audio successfully added. Now you can just go ahead and easily split or crop the audio. So I'm selecting the last part and then I'm tapping on delete. And now we can see the audio successfully added. Let's play the audio. Okay, now it's time to export. So tap on save, tap on export. And here, before export, you can just select your video resolution, frame rate, format, and tap on export. And we can see the video successfully exported. Now I'm just going to my gallery, and here we have the new video with my custom music. Now it's time to publish this to our Instagram story. So just go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon, select story. You have to select the exported MP4 file and then tap on done. Select your story and just tap on share. And as you can see, I've successfully added my own song to my Instagram story. Thanks for watching.